Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check deleted messages on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on Filters. Here, you'll see different message categories. From the list, tap on Recently Deleted. This is where all deleted messages are stored for up to 30 days before they're permanently removed. Inside this folder, you'll see all the messages you deleted recently. You can tap on any conversation to preview it. If you want to recover a message, simply select it and tap Recover at the bottom. And if you want to permanently delete it, tap Delete instead. Next, to make sure your messages are safely backed up, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID profile, then tap iCloud. Scroll down and select iCloud Backup to check when your device was last backed up. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.